Once the distribution of PuMA has been downloaded, unzipped, and installed, the following directories will appear in the PuMA directory. You have the documentation, which includes the user manual as well as the documentation of the development and verification of each of the modules. In extras, we have the image lists, which are used for tomography import, as well as the input files, which an example input file is provided for use in generating your own input files. Inside libraries, we have the FFTW and the libtiff library, which are used by the software and are installed there during the installation process. Inside the PuMA directory, we have all the source code as well as the executable. Inside TIFF is where all of the TIFF stacks are stored for microtomography samples. Included with the distribution of PuMA is one microtomography sample, which is an 800 by 800 by 800 sample, which is approximately 1 millimeter cubed of fiberform. Now, inside the runs folder, you have each individual run. Whenever a new simulation is run, a new run file is created. The run file name includes the time and date for the records. Inside the log folder, we have the log file, which includes all of the inputs and outputs for everything in the simulation. Additionally, the last four subdirectories contain all of the runtime outputs for an oxidation simulation. In the options for the run of this oxidation simulation, you can select to output images, statistics, TIFF stacks, and triangle outputs at any given interval. This can be used later for developing figures of the progression of the material through time, as well as to create movies of the oxidation simulation.